All right. What day of the week is it? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. No grass mowing today, boys. We are on a different mission. Always something different. So, I don't know, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I took this trailer to the dump and asked for assistance from the loader. Yeah, this is what happens when you ask for assistance from a loader. Nice big chunky hole. So we are here with my man Mark, the welding boss. He is going to take care of us today. All right, and we'll check back in because this is his specialty, not mine. I'm just lucky he had the week off. Look at that beautiful sunset. That's beautiful. What a nice present at the end of the day.
My present, by the way.
Your present?
Yeah.
What's up, what's up? Yes, sir. Haha.
I didn't really think about it when I put this there.
That's alright. That's
But
perfect, dude.
the tops of these are flat, so
Alright, sweet.
it shouldn't fuck
It's
anything up.
permanent, so it doesn't ever come on. Hell yeah.
But like I said, we were gonna do them this way,
Yeah.
but now I think this way to have even less room just kind of sags. Still a little bit tacky.
That's alright. You happy with it? Proud of your work?
I think it'll work for you.
Yeah, man.
And this stuff is actually smaller holes,
Okay.
so it'll be even stronger than
Nice.
what was on here.
Nice.
On top of having that, really nowhere for it to sag.
Well, bro, I appreciate it so much. So much.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. $100 tip. So. Worth your efforts. I mean, I know how many hours you work on this thing?
Since you left, pretty much I had to go get the steel, and then after I dropped the trailer off, got the steel, came back and started on it.
Right, so 10 hours, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it wouldn't have taken that long if there wasn't so many little welds on the other one that I had to grind off.
Dude, I'm sure.
And then I had to put all of them back.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, man.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
That makes me so happy, Mark.
I think it's gonna work for you.
Yeah, dude, I've been nervous with people stepping in that hole and
Yeah, they shouldn't do that anymore.
nah, dude, that's perfect. Beautiful work. Beautiful work.
I don't know if these pictures, that was steel, and then that was cutting everything out, and then that was once it was out, and all those little tacks had to be ground down, and then that was tacked up but not painted.
All right, send them to me so I can have them.
Mm.
Yeah, man, good stuff. Let me grab that hitch and throw it on my truck. Yeah, boys. It's late. I'm happy. Super, super happy. Got my trailer gate fixed. Yeah. I'm looking at it now. And I'll show y'all tomorrow morning. Alright. Wednesday's coming soon.